Good afternoon. This is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. It is Wednesday, April 4th, and it is after the market closed at 5:49 p.m. So we are going into the Asia session right now. I'm kind of getting a little bit late recording this. We had a really big turnaround in the NQ. So we had some of that bottom buying. I've got the linear regression trends template on the charts. I have a 60-minute on the left and a 18-minute on the right, just sort of mixing up the time frames, trying to find that sweet spot for the regression trend to get the direction right, but be able to go inside those bars, those ranges, and try to get a trade using either the high-low one. I've got other templates I'm working on, but just getting that directional move up or down. And often in the market, you'll get several opportunities to trade both and the mixed sideways. And this is what we had from, really a lot of my trading session was just this flat, choppy part. We tried to get a rally up. It failed, came back in, chopped up and down on the bands, and never really did anything. This was a mess. Broke down, and then, of course, your up thrust from here. And this is, if you can just try to get behind, you might get a few stop outs. Like this period here was just brutal. 9 to 9:30, really 8:30, 9:30. This little turnaround location. I had to figure it out, and the best thing to do is try to just widen your bars. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. We obviously want, the good part, trigger 3, after a nice trend has started, to get in the direction, stay out of the chop, and take these when a nice flat perpendicular, bar is moving. This was after lunch. During the just after the open, not so much. We had more of this sideways up and down stuff. Very difficult to trade. Here's a couple of signals that were all winners, but you had to really pick and choose wisely and then just take very short stabs at this because the market was so flippy. Here was a signal. Get out at the bands. Just jumping in and out, and really didn't have time to get involved in something nice and elongated that you could trail until this afternoon session, and then it got really nice. So moving up the trajectory. Love it when that happens. And then again this afternoon, lunch, not so much, and then afternoon late into the close. A couple of really good runs, but it did get choppy also. So best to just, widen your bars out, know the direction you're going, and tuck it in there and really follow the system. I have a nice little linear regression market analyzer mini that I'm working on that gives me the 3 time ranges I'm looking at: 60, 15, 3. And obviously it's nice when you have them all moving in the same direction. So try to be aware that when it's not directionally trending, that you can get some chop. But right here we had the 60-minute, 18-minute, 20-minute going in the same direction really all day. It was just that you had to widen your bar to be able to participate in that. So a higher time frame participant for sure. All right. Well, I hope to see you soon in the room. Great reports came out today. Market is moving up, bouncing off of these lows, And so hopefully we'll get back into the middle part of the range and reassess and see where we're at. So expecting a follow through up bar tomorrow, and then anything goes, right? Talk to you soon. Thank you so much.